A variety of methods and procedures are used to recover listed species, such as reduction of invasive species. Invasive species are often introduced by humans for economic or recreational gain. In Lake Victoria, Africa, in the 1950s, local fishermen decided that the native cichlid fish did not provide enough profit to sustain the town. Against the recommendation of scientists, the Nile perch was introduced into Lake Victoria. Over the course of 50 years, the Nile perch has been responsible for the extinction of more than 5 species of cichlid fish from the wild. The much larger perch, seen here, competes with the cichlid fish for the same habitat and often feeds on it. Another organism infected by invasive species is the northern quoll. In 1935, scarab beetles were destroying all of the sugarcane crops in Australia. In order to reduce these pests, cane toads were purposely introduced. Since then, the population of cane toads has exploded, and they are now seen as a menace to many species, especially the northern quoll. Both compete for the same habitat. However, due to the cane toad's poisonous glands, the quoll is losing that territorial battle, and their populations have severely declined. Kudzu was first introduced to North America by Thomas Hogg in 1862. Since then, it has been described as the plant that ate the South with almost 7 million acres of growth. This has caused the pineland plantain to near extinction. The kudzu plant entangles the plantain and cuts off all the sunlight, which ultimately kills the flower. Pesticides have not been effective as the kudzu has become resistant and has adverse effects on the pineland plantain. As shown by Madelon van Forster's portrait, invasive species may seem to be beneficial at first, but they will ultimately wipe out the species that we rely on, and therefore the endangerment of ourselves.